I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play stereo love on the piano. Let's begin by focusing on the main melody, which is played with your right hand. The iconic four-note phrase starts on C sharp, then moves to B, A, and finally G sharp. Practice this sequence slowly and deliberately, ensuring each note is clear and the rhythm is consistent. Repeating this short phrase several times will help you build the necessary muscle memory for a smooth performance. Now, let's introduce the left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation with a simple four-chord progression. The chords are a minor, G major, F major, and C major. You can play these as solid block chords or try a gentle arpeggiated pattern for a fuller sound. The key is to synchronize your left hand with the right hand's melody, ensuring a cohesive and flowing musical experience. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four chords. With both hands now familiar with their individual parts, it's time to combine them. Begin by playing both hands together at a very slow tempo. This allows you to focus intently on the timing and coordination required. As you become more comfortable and confident, gradually increase the tempo. Remember to keep the right hand's melody prominent and clear, allowing it to sing over the supporting left hand chords. Patience is key here. To truly bring stereo love to life, consider adding dynamics and expression. Vary your volume, playing some sections softer and others louder to create emotional depth. The sustain pedal is crucial here. Use it to connect the notes and create a richer, more resonant sound. Emphasize the melody notes slightly to make them stand out. Practice with feeling and allow your personal interpretation to shine through, making the piece uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.